Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add gift card on Walmart. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Walmart application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Walmart application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. So if you want to add the gift card, it is actually very simple. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At the top right corner of this interface, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account settings interface. You'll be able to find the sections for personal information, communications and privacy, shopping settings, etc. In the section for personal information, at last you'll be able to find the option for wallet. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the wallet interface. You'll be able to see the payment methods that you've added over here. What you have to do is tap on this option, add new payment method. Now you'll be able to find various payment methods that you can add. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for gift card. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the gift card over here. First of all, what you have to do is enter the card number. Tap on the field of card number and enter the gift card number over here. Likewise, what you have to do is enter the PIN. Tap on the field of PIN and enter the 4-digit PIN over here. You'll also have to enter the gift card nickname. It is completely optional, but you can enter it if you want. If you do not know where is your card number and PIN number, right over here you'll be able to find the section for where is the PIN. The PIN and card number will be in the back of the physical gift card. You'll be able to see the photo over here. According to this photo, you'll be able to enter the card number and PIN number. Now after you've added all the informations, what you have to do is tap on this option, safeguard, that you can see on the screen. Now if the information that you've provided is correct, the gift card will be added to your account. So that is how you add gift card on Walmart. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.